What are you looking at?
Is this a movie, Mom?
I'm making a movie. Yep.
Alex, say something.
Why do you always talk about food?
Hey. No, she's gonna make a movie of me. Hey, why'd you push me out of the way?
Alex, don't push Douglas.
Douglas, you move away.
It can be a Douglas and Alex movie.
Yes, yes.
Dougie, why do you always get weird when you're put on the spot? Doug, you know I hate when you hit yourself in the head.
Okay, I won't.
Doug, you're smart. Stop being wacky.
Okay.
So, tell me what you guys are up to today.
On your birthday.
Doug. Doug, just talk to me.
Hey Mom, are you ready for the bummy? Bummy, yummy.
What do you guys plan to do today?
Say, cut.
No, I don't want to cut yet.
Why? This is a long movie.
Alex, you're getting out of the frame.
Hey. Lover, get me. Stop it.
Go over to where Doug is a little bit, because the sun on your face is too bright.
What you with the head? Hey, what's this lip? They want
Okay, you guys want to say goodbye?
Goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Goodbye.
Wave, Alex. And then throw kisses.